welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to enable, how to turn off and how to customize Mini Capsule option on the status bar of Realme 14x phone. So first we need to go to settings. Then in settings we're looking for notifications and quick setting menu, and here we have Mini Capsule. So check important service information in a capsule in the status bar. So we have a few options here. We can disable or enable this option, and here we have some additional functions that we can turn on or off: battery status, music, timer, screen recording, weather, data usage, and step stats even. Of course we can customize these options also here, but that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.